My poor golf cart has been sitting here neglected with its dead batteries now for over a year while I've been just sort of stuck mentally on whether to buy new batteries or go ahead and get a gas golf cart. But the good folks at, and hopefully I say this right, 10LOL saw my golf cart and said, hey, we have some seat covers that will work for you and we want you to test them out. So I said, sure, we'll test them out. My homemade faux leather seat covers have held up pretty well, but obviously having something more professional would be nice. So we will open this package here, see what we got. It looks like it's just some sort of buckle-on system with straps and buckles. So, and then a way to pull tight here. So pull tight and then lock down. So the seat back is obviously the one with the name on it, and it just stretches around, and then you're gonna run these back up and buckle them into there and pull them tight. And then, like I said, you have the little drawstring that you pull tight once it's all on. And then this is the seat bottom, and it's just gonna fit right down over your existing seat. And you may have to wiggle it around and figure out what's the best orientation. What you're gonna need to do if you want this to fit properly is you're gonna need to kind of tuck it behind this plastic handle, and then it will go on. These may be better off in the rear since you can lift the seat and tighten everything up. Take your strap, pull it through the buckle that way, back through that way, and then pull it as tight as you want, and it will cinch up for you and hold it on there nice and snug. Same thing with the top piece. Fish through, back through, pull tight. So this one's looking great right out of the package. This one looks like it's going to need some time to kind of flatten out and get the wrinkles out, but then it should look fine. And it's not really a neoprene. I don't know what you would call this fabric, but it feels like it's very breathable, which would be nice in the hot Texas weather. And also choosing gray instead of all black for me, again, to combat the heat. But I think that's a nice addition to the golf cart. It really adds a little pop to it. The rear seat piece is going to go on the exact same way. There you go. Hopefully I said that right. 10LOL.